The Manipur police on Monday arrested 2 people in connection with the killing of a senior police officer in Moreh in the Ternopal district last year. In a police statement, security personnel observed 2 persons identified as Philip Kaikholan Kongsai and Hemkolan Mate, who opened fire on the vehicles of the security forces during round patrolling near Moreh College around 4:30 p.m. on Monday. The accused hid in a cluster of houses to avoid being captured. On being fired upon, the security forces immediately retaliated and cordoned off the houses where the accused were hiding, according to the police statement. Taking to its X handled by Manipur Police said yesterday at around 4:30 p.m. during round patrolling of Manipur Police special CDO teams near Moreh College, the security personnel observed 2 suspected individuals who opened fire on vehicles of security personnel and ran into a cluster of houses. On being fired upon, the security forces immediately retaliated and cordoned off the suspected houses near Moreh College. During the operation, the 2 suspicious individuals were chased and overpowered using minimum force and were detained for verification. On spot verification, they disclosed themselves as Philip Kaikholan Kongsai, son of late Marcus Kongsai of New Moreh 1, number 8, and Hemkolan Mate, son of late Onkolun Mate of K. Molsang village. It may be recalled that Chingtham Anand Kumar, Sub-Divisional Police Officer SDPO of Moreh, was shot at by miscreants at Moreh on October 31, 2023. He later succumbed to his injuries. At the moment, 2 accused are now in Moreh Police custody. No women group have protested for demanding release of the duo. No curfew relaxation at Moreh town today. On the other hand, a reliable source said they will be handed over to an IA of CBI to take up its course of action.